India is the land of spices, and the brand that defines this category is MDH Masala. MDH stands for Mahashay Di Hatti, which became popular under the leadership of Mahashay Dharampal Gulati. I am pretty sure you're familiar with his face because it was printed on millions of packets of masalas that his company made. Now, the roots of MDH began in 1919 with Mahashay Chunnilal Gulati, Dharampal's father, who started it from the busy streets of Sialkot in undivided India. Today, we will cover how the brand grew despite the partition, its iconic marketing strategy, and the lessons we can learn from him. MDH was a growing business until it got completely destroyed because of the partition. The Gulati family moved to Delhi and Dharampal established a small shop in Karol Bagh in 1950s. Over the years, he went on to become the Masala King of India. He started with a flagship product, MDH Degi Mirch, from the modest shop. And today, they have grown to over 62 product lines and have been able to achieve it because of the iconic marketing campaign that Dharampal Gulati was actually a face of. There are few advertising campaigns that have etched themselves in the collective memory of Indians. All of us growing up remembered this ad. Now I'm going to play the jingle and I'm pretty sure you'll start singing along.
सांबर मसाला हो या चने का मसाला, कसूरी मेथी या देगी मिर्च,
असली मसाले सच सच MDH.
The slogan, Asli Masale Sach Sach, MDH is more than just a catchphrase. This iconic jingle, which actually portrays Mahashay Dharampal Gulati in the ads, became a hallmark of purity across all the kitchens of India and the globe. But this is not just the advertising which led to the success. There are three reasons for its expansion. First, its philosophy. Now, it is deeply rooted in the quality, authenticity, and commitment to Indian traditions. Second, the meticulous approach which got them to decide which of the finest spice to make, and they mastered these traditional recipes. This ensured that they were always ahead of the competition and were innovating. Number 3. MDH's strategic market research that enabled them to listen to their customers, understand what their preferences are, and change according to the demands of the market. You see, they've also expanded beyond spices into ready-to-eat meals and condiments, and this wouldn't have happened if they were not ahead of the curve. Their strategic partnerships amplified MDH's distribution not just in India but also internationally. There is a lot that we can learn from MDH Masala's journey. Now, MDH Masala is more than a brand. It represents the preservation of Indian food heritage. Mahashay Dharampal Gulati is also a person who's passed on his values and ethos to the next generations. He knew his target audience was the Indian female who decides what goes into the kitchen. So his enduring smile, a turban, and iconic ads made him a part of the family and also the kitchen that led to its phenomenal growth. By the way, Mahashay Dharampal Gulati is also known for his philanthropic efforts across causes like education and healthcare. He's ensured that when he grows, he gives back to the society. He was also bestowed with the very prestigious Padma Bhushan in 2019, and unfortunately he passed away in 2020. His legacy is a blend of the Indian entrepreneurial spirit and also philanthropy, which ensures that the community grows together. If you've been inspired by the rich legacy and growth of MDH Masala, let us know in the comment section what are other brands that you'd want us to cover and make videos about. Now, don't forget to share this video with your friends, family, and especially your mother, for whom MDH Masala was a part of her daily routine. If you've liked this video, I want you to subscribe our channel for more such videos. I am Gaurav, your host. See you next time, same place, same channel for more learnings.